fellas, madams, ladies, ladies and gentlemen, my Smeagol's and Butterfree. Welcome back to music video time with Hatsune Miku, which is me. Peace. Hi guys. Today we're gonna do remote control done by Len and Rin Kagamine, and they're my favorite twins. I love them to death. I really do. They're one of my favorite Vocaloid set. And so, without further ado, I'll play the video for you guys so you can watch that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so that was remote control done by Len and Rin Kagamine. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't you wish you had a remote control that can control your boyfriend, girlfriend, your siblings, like your sisters and brothers? Don't you wish you had one? I know I do. But nonetheless, it'd be awesome if we could. That way we could prevent things from happening, such as cheating. If we knew what our guys were doing, we could control them with a controller, Yeah, okay. Nonetheless, fantasy over. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know I enjoyed this video a lot. I actually really do enjoy Len and Rin. They're adorable, and they are the silliest out of all the Vocaloids. So yeah, and the youngest. So I hope you did enjoy that. Comment down below. Don't you wish you had a controller for someone? Say your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your brother, your sister, whomever. Comment down below if you do, and who you'd want the controller for. That is the question of the day. So yeah. So yeah, like and share with your friends. Like if you like it, comment, and don't forget to subscribe, everyone. Please, I need more subscribers, and I love you all. I really do, and I'd love you even more if you subscribe to me. So yeah, I love you all. I really do, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. We'll have fun next time. So yeah, peace out from me, Hatsune Miku, and behave, be well, take care. I love you. Bye.